We're dissecting the physics behind scaling home wind energy, specifically asking if two turbines truly double power output or if aerodynamic interference creates diminishing returns. We'll explore optimal spacing, blade design, and the often overlooked environmental factors influencing efficiency in multi-turbine setups. You've seen those slick diagrams: add another wind turbine, double your power, right? What if I told you the truth is far more complex, and potentially, far less efficient? We're diving deep into the science to uncover if two turbines truly give you double the energy, or if you're just paying for diminishing returns. Imagine investing in a second home wind turbine, only to find your power output barely budges. The culprit: aerodynamic interference, a silent energy killer. Today, we're dissecting the crucial physics behind multi-turbine setups, revealing optimal spacing, blade secrets, and the environmental factors you absolutely can't ignore to truly maximize your clean energy. Could adding a second wind turbine to your home actually reduce its overall efficiency? It sounds counterintuitive, but the hidden forces of nature are at play. Join us as we unpack the cutting-edge physics of wind turbine arrays, showing you exactly how to avoid common pitfalls and harness every watt possible from your multi-turbine dream. The promise of power: two turbines, twice the energy. Initial setup and the immediate question: is it really as simple as doubling your turbines to double your power, or is there a hidden catch? Introducing the concept of wind real estate, and why adding more turbines isn't like adding more solar panels. Teasing the core conflict: the intuitive assumption versus the scientific reality of airflow. The science of interference: when wind fights itself. Deep dive into wake effect, how the first turbine disrupts airflow for the second, creating turbulence and reducing efficiency. Visualizing wind patterns with smoke tests or CGI to show how air becomes less organized behind a spinning blade. Quantifying the diminishing returns, specific data points and real-world examples of power reduction in closely spaced turbines. Optimal spacing and smart placement, unlocking hidden potential, exploring the rule of thumb for turbine spacing, e.g., 710 rotor diameters, and the physics behind it. Discussing advanced strategies like staggered arrays or varying turbine heights to minimize wake interference. Highlighting the importance of wind ROS data and site-specific analysis for maximizing multi-turbine efficiency. Beyond placement, blade design and environmental factors, how innovative blade designs, e.g., vertical axis turbines, multi-bladed systems, can be more resilient to turbulent airflow in multi-turbine setups. The critical role of environmental variables, temperature, air density, and terrain effects on overall system performance. Discussing the often overlooked noise pollution and visual impact considerations when scaling up home wind energy. The verdict: is two or more turbines worth it? Summarizing the pros and cons of multi-turbine setups for residential use, bringing all the previous points together. Presenting clear scenarios where adding a second turbine does make sense and where it's a wasted investment. Actionable advice for homeowners considering expanding their wind energy footprint and what questions they need to ask. Thanks for joining us. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell for further notification.